Let's go, everyone! Today we're unboxing these candles from a company called PF Candle Co. So, I believe they're based in San Francisco. Heard great things about their candles, so got some and wanted to show you all how these look like. So, alright. Okay, so looks like they're individually packaged. Made in the USA, California, pfcandleco.com. So this is a sweet grapefruit room and linen spray. Alright, set that aside. What's this one? This is teakwood and tobacco 100% soy wax candle. PF Candle Co. They wrap this, so let's open this, see what it looks like. Cool. This is the soy wax candle, sweet grapefruit, 7.2 ounce. Oh, it smells really good. Golden Hour soy candle. Comes in a golden looking box. That's pretty cool. Oh, this one's more difficult. That's okay. There we go. Ooh, this is a cool candle. Nice. Oh, that smells really good. Excuse me. This is Amber and Moss, 7.2 ounce. Well, that smells really good. And finally, last one, Sunbloom, number 33. So this is a pretty standard looking candle from them. So yeah, that's all the candles I got from PF Candle Co. They look and smell great, so excited to try these out. That's it for this unboxing. Thanks everyone. Please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. And I hope you're all doing well. Thanks. Bye.